Hi. Today I'm going to demonstrate a science experiment that I have been leading up to for a couple of videos now. It's how to make homemade gunpowder. Now, a couple of videos ago I showed you how to make charcoal. Now, just regular wood, very flammable, very dirty, and you can use this to make your gunpowder. In my last video, I showed you how to make nitrate crystals with potassium nitrate. Now, what you want to do is you want to crush these up into a very, very, very fine powder and mix them with sulfur. Sulfur you can buy in any hardware store, garden center. Now, I went ahead and prepared some ahead of time. You want to mix this by weight, okay? So you need 15% charcoal. You need 10% sulfur. And you need 75% potassium nitrate by weight. Mix it together thoroughly. And let's test out our homemade gunpowder. Three, two, one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time.